In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header and footer in Excel. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, launch Excel in your device. Open Excel the same way you normally do for any spreadsheet work. Once it opens, you should see the Start screen, with recent files on the left and template options such as blank workbook in the center. If Excel opens straight into a sheet, that works as well. You just continue from there. Next, open an existing book. Click on the workbook that already has your data and layout. Using an existing file helps because you can immediately see how the header and footer look on real content. After the file opens, you will see your usual grid of cells with columns labeled with letters and rows labeled with numbers. From there, click View at the top. Look along the ribbon for the tab labeled View, beside other tabs like Home and Insert. When you click it, the ribbon changes to show options related to how the workbook appears on your screen, including different workbook views. Now click Page Layout. In the View tab, find the section that lists workbook views such as Normal, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout. Click the Page Layout option there. As soon as you select it, your sheet changes to show page boundaries with clear page breaks and margins. You will also see a little more white space around the grid, which represents the printable area. To find the header, click the top margin space. Move your pointer above the first row of cells until you see the words Add Header appear in a white area. Click directly in that top margin. Once you click, Excel activates the header area and shows 3 sections, left, center, and right. You will also notice a new header and footer tab appear in the ribbon, confirming you are editing the header. To find the footer, scroll down and click the bottom margin. Use the scroll bar on the right side until you reach the bottom of the page preview. Just below the last rows, you will see another white area with the words Add Footer. Click in that bottom margin, and again you will see left, center, and right sections ready for editing. The same header and footer tools remain visible, so you can switch between header and footer without leaving this view. Next up, type directly inside the left, center, or right sections. Click into one of these sections and start typing the text you want, such as a report title, the date, or a page note. Everything you type updates immediately and appears in a slightly grayed header or footer area on the page. A simple trick is to keep long text in the center section because it usually aligns better across different printers. After that, click View, then Normal to return. Go back to the View tab, and in the same Workbook Views area, choose Normal. Your sheet returns to the regular grid view, but the header and footer are still attached to each printed page. You have now changed both the header and footer for your Excel worksheet. If this helped you format your pages more clearly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Excel tips.